Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make a presentation with AI for absolutely for free. We're just gonna see how that goes. It's super easy, don't worry about it. We'll just go into the apps and see how they work. Of course, for this I have three different websites. One of them is SlidesGo.com, which is of course like a presentation tool in general, and they have newly introduced free AI tools, which are like definitely up to our use, of course, and you can like do a lot of things. I'll show them to you in a second. And of course, we have like Canva's AI presentation tool. You already know Canva. If you are like searching up like stuff like this, design videos on the internet, you already know how Canva works, and they have an AI presentation maker as well. And the last one I could like show you guys as well for like a free presentation AI is the Presentations.AI. Their like idea to deck feature just gives you a lot of features for like simple stuff that you can use for a great presentation. Actually, we're gonna give all of them like one simple topic: Roman Empire, and see how they function and how you can use them to change around and see how they work. I'm gonna show you like not one but three different apps so you can choose the best one for you. Of course, I'm just gonna like go to the slides and go, like when you say get started or like make a presentation, it just gets you to the screen. I'm just gonna like choose one of their like minimalist, colorful, geometric, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna choose the geometric because I think it looks cool. I'm choosing the Roman Empire, like I said before. I can choose a writing tone, which should be formal or professional in this case. I'm gonna do professional. Language is English, and the number of slides, let's do 15, because why not? We want to see how far we can go with these apps. So I'm just gonna say generate presentation. Oh, it can only go up to 14, I guess. And then we'll say generate presentation. Of course, it will take a little because like it has to create like different texts, different pictures, different like ideas on the board, and like get a lot of stuff from like its own database. So we're just gonna wait a little while it creates. Of course, like there will be a part you have to check, and we will do that in a second. As you can see, I'm getting different pictures and everything. As let's just put this back in its place. Okay, this is good. Now, as it promised, I got 14 pages, and there's even like a thanks part in this. I can like put different like socials in this and everything. Exploring the legacy of the Roman Empire, governance, culture, and influence. I'm getting different pictures, which I can change around. I can like make them bigger, make them smaller. It gives us an introduction. The only thing you have to check with AI here is how it writes. Like you can check the pictures as well, but the pictures are mostly AI generated. And when they're AI generated, you have to make sure they're like accurate and they won't like look like a sore thumb in the middle. So, I mean, this part's good and all. This just looks like a classic Roman feature and everything. I'm just gonna make this a little bit bigger to focus on this part. The Roman governance structure was characterized by a complex hierarchy, including the Senate, consuls, and popular assemblies. The system laid the groundwork for modern democratic principles. Okay, this is pretty good. This is honestly better than I expected. What can I say? I wasn't expecting it to be that good. And of course, it seems to be really, I have no idea what this is. Like I said, that's why I said like always check your artwork, because when it's made by AI, it can be sometimes a little bit weird. Like what is this supposed to be? This is pretty good. And they seem to be yes, again, something that has nothing to do with the Roman Empire. This is fine. But of course you can always like just make it a little more centered. these, okay. As you can see, it can work. But of course it needs some like, you gotta like cut around the rough edges. Of course, this is just one of the apps. And then we go to the Canva AI. And we're gonna do the Roman Empire thing again. And we'll say generate design. When we say generate design, it will like get a second, and then we'll be able to see different already that these are pre-made. That's a problem. That's a problem I don't like. Like, it has pre-made designs, which is like, yes, this is like this is just made by people. This is not the AI tool itself, but it is a good start. Like, it gives you the topics, and you have to change around the like ideas, because of course these are not actual texts. This is just a classic lorem ipsum dolor like filler. And of course, like, the pictures are better, honestly, because they are like handmade, like, or just like made by an actual person, which is always going to be better than AI itself. But of course, our point is getting something done simple, easy, and of course quick. Quick parts is important, and it should be hours. So we're gonna go to the Presentations.AI, and we're gonna search Roman Empire again, and we're gonna give it a topic or idea. Let's just do that, and it should take some time as well. Again, the slide count is 10 only, because like I just want to see how it works. Now it's like creating us a timeline, which is pretty good. This is better than the first one we have seen. I'm gonna change the color scheme to Cornell Red, because why not? And the font to Lato. I don't need any website URL. You can like change around the slide and everything, or you can like change the description. Like, as you can see, it's giving you like the writing itself too. You can like change the writing as well, of course. Then I will say advanced settings, why not? Fill in additional details to our outline, not needed. And content density per slide, I'm gonna make it large. I want them to be detailed. Then I will say create presentation. Yes, of course, we're gonna make it hours for sure. Okay, this is going good. This looks pretty well. But of course, this is just... Okay. The thing is... Nope, I'm not taking that deal. The thing is, I'm liking what I'm seeing. But what I'm seeing is simple. This looks pretty good. This looks pretty well made. We should not have played with the content density, I guess. Because the content density seems to run wild with this one. Language, yes, language auto. We can make it 10. We're gonna make the content density normal, because I don't want to like give it too much of a hassle. I just want to see if it works properly, if I just let it do its work the normal way. But of course, as you can see, this is basically how things go. Like, it just does the stuff, tells you, shows you, and then you can easily just like create the presentation. Like, it did not even took a second to create the presentation, and you can like try again and again and again until you get something you like. This is better than the one before. It's more colorful, it looks visually more pleasing to the eye, and all you have to do is try a few times and of course see how things work. You can export this as a PPT file or just like share in general. But that's generally how that goes. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.